So, hey, here is an intermediary video just to tell you that I'm struggling a bit with my explanations right now, but I want to stick to the format of 3 minutes to stay in the to stay sharp and to stay active. So it might not be perfect. We could go around values for beliefs for a very, very, very long time for each of them. It's not an easy exercise, I see, but please bear with me. And if it's unclear, ask me in the comments. And remember that you can as well buy. Perhaps at some point you're gonna have like some personal coaching session, Q&A session that are gonna come, and you're gonna be able to go more in depth with me in 101, or many people with me to go more in depth within these new beliefs if you have questions. And so we're gonna leave it like this. Thank you so much for working on yourself. This is what matters most. And yeah, much love and break no more.